In a sport that has forged icons and moved people of many nations, there is a challenge. Cricket remains inaccessible to many. Equipment can be expensive and hard to come by. Pitches can be poor and facilities limited, meaning promising youngsters are unable to experience all the opportunities cricket can provide. With these boundaries left to go beyond, DP World sought to readdress the balance to put cricket kits in the hands of aspiring players with limited access. To level the playing field and allow them to dream with no limitations, we brought in a man who knows what it means to change what's possible. A global icon who raised up his nation and changed the sport forever. Sachin Tendulkar.
Generally in life, we all prepare, but very few deliver. DP World delivers.
On the eve of the 2023 ICC Men's Cricket World Cup, Sachin helped unveil DP World's Beyond Boundaries initiative, a global mission to make cricket more accessible across the globe through the delivery of 50 repurposed shipping containers, each stocked with kits and equipment. The containers themselves provide much needed facilities, from scoreboards to changing rooms to medical facilities. At the Cricket World Cup, we made a promise, a pledge that for every 100 runs teams scored, DP World would deliver 10 cricket kits to grassroots clubs, providing access and growing the game. The runs started to flow at a record-shattering time. And as the runs kept on coming, the deliveries began. From the source in Kashmir, our containers, each etched with the iconic image of our ambassador, Sachin Tendulkar, traveled thousands of miles across 3 continents and into 6 countries. The initiative made its mark in India, first visiting Mumbai, Ahmedabad, Chennai, and later Delhi. We then headed to the UAE, South Africa, the USA, Barbados, and most recently, Namibia. Using the power of our global network and smart logistics solutions, and working closely with the ICC and partner cricket federations, we brought the Beyond Boundaries initiative to communities that needed our support.
I would like to thank DP World for such a wonderful initiative, and I hope that girl will play hard on the field after getting this kit.
With the unveiling of our milestone 10th container, we have now delivered on our World Cup promise, putting 2,500 kits into the hands of aspiring players the world over. We didn't do it alone. Some of cricket's biggest names have joined us along the way to help inspire the next generation.
I think it's important now for a youngster because with the facilities and the help you guys get to know, it's very important.
You just look at some of the children and wherever we've been and kids coming to activations and once again it's astonishing to me how many kids are interested in the game.
DP World having this initiative, I think will support so many more, and you never know, one kid might change someone's life.
I think they're doing a wonderful job to support these young cricketers, give them the platform to showcase their talent.
With 40 more containers to be delivered over the next 4 years, our mission has only just begun.
Now I can bat like Sachin.
For DP World to encourage children at the right time, it's truly globalizing the game.